How to send picture in TikTok chats. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can easily send pictures on your TikTok chats. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up TikTok application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and find the option for your inbox at the bottom. Once that is done, go over to any chat over here. And if you want to send picture, just tap on the gallery icon at the right side of your message box. From here, you can select a picture from this. It could be videos, photos, or you can just filter it out from the top. You can swipe left or right from here to find picture videos or anything like that. Now I'll just go ahead and select a random picture here and then tap on send. Now you've successfully sent a picture. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.